My name is Ward Fraser, and I'm the general manager here at Voyager RV. RV Technician Week is really important to Voyager, and it's important to our industry as a whole. We also want to let the full community know what they do and how great of an industry, how great of a career this could be for those other people who are tradespeople who are certified in a singular area like an electrician or a plumber, and they're bored because they do the same thing every day. Wouldn't it be great to come to a place where you can do something different every single day and use all your skills and really work at a job you can be passionate about? So that's why it's important for us. We really want to share this knowledge with the general public and other tradespeople out there that this is where they should be. An RV tech is a certified professional, a trained technician who takes care of our customers. They have to be part technician, part handyman, and of course part wizard. The great thing about them is they're actually 11 tradespeople all in one. They do so many different types of work, and they're so knowledgeable. They're really the backbone of our service department here. To deliver on the customer experience that we want to be the best in the industry. We can only do that with a group of RV techs that are pulling in the same direction, have the same vision, and really care about what's going to happen when that customer goes out in their RV and ends up in a campsite and starts using it. They want a great experience. They don't want problems. So they're really important to our industry and, of course, Voyager RV ourselves. The Women in Trades program is extremely important. Our technicians all have been put through the programs at Okanagan College, and we've had a lot of women come through the program now. We have 3 Red Seal and 3 apprentices that are currently working through the program. We love the Women's in Trade program. We're big supporters of it, and we hire from it all the time. Advice I would give to somebody who's looking to get into the industry and into the RV technician trade is send us a resume, talk to us about your passions, talk to us about your future. What are you looking for? What do you want to do? This is a growing industry. If you're interested in this, come and talk to us. The RVDA of Canada and the provincial associations, they put these programs together for awareness for the public so that they can understand that this is available to them. This lifestyle, you not just camp, but you can actually work in this industry too. It is so much fun having customers that are looking to fulfill their passions, have adventures, bond with their family. And when you can be part of that, it's easy to believe in what you do. It's easy to be passionate about it. In the end, we're just a big, proud supporter of RV Tech Appreciation Week, and we want more people to join the industry, and I hope they get to.